All right, so our next step, now that the cam is installed, is all of our timing gear. I bought the kit from Michigan Motorsports. Comes with the crank gear. It's a one piece with the oil pump drive, and then your timing gear and timing chain. Really good kit. With Michigan Motorsports, you'll see there's only one keyway on here, so you can't put it on backwards. You can't put it on untimed or incorrectly timed. Okay, so I've already got cylinder 1 at top dead center over here. So we're gonna toss the gear on, and there is a dot. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a dot on this gear, on that tooth of the gear, excuse me. It's gonna be facing straight down. Okay. Then we got the cam gear and then the timing chain that we'll install. I'll bring you in for a close-up here in a second, but the 0-degree marker on the timing gear is lined up with the gear on the crankshaft. Oh, don't forget your Loctite. Loctite and 25 foot-pounds. All right, so like I said, you got your gear and your oil pump drive on your crank. It's got this little circle right here, and this is your 0-degree marker on your cam gear. And you can see that they're lined up. Angle might be a little off from the camera, but they're pointing at each other. And in case I didn't mention it before, your cam gear bolts get torqued down to 25 foot-pounds.